It's a good exhibition. So we've been here a long time. We've been here since the early days of the exhibition. And I think the exhibition has grown. We've grown in Nigeria. Our customers now know that this exhibition is here. So it's a really good opportunity for us, for our customers to visit, for us to look for new customers, to support our distributors who come and participate with us on the shows. So it's a very good business event for us. It's improved over the years, and I think as the show becomes better known and it gets bigger, the quality of the visitors is improving. So we see more decision makers. We see visitors from other countries coming, which is also very good. So a lot of visitors this year from Ghana, which is very good for the companies here because they can talk to the other markets as well. It's almost like a good opportunity once a year for us to really, stand up, make a noise about us, thank our customers, remind everyone about the brand. So for us, that's probably the big reason why we come here. It's a mixture of business to business and marketing. This is a very good place to start. There are not really any other big food shows in this region. This has become by far the largest. So I would say if you were thinking of doing something in the ECOWAS region, you start with a small stand here and you get a very good idea of what the market is like and you get some good visitors. My name is George Phillips from Tropical Sun. We're from the UK and we look forward to seeing you next year at FAB West Africa.